it's me. Anyways, I thought I'm going to turn on the camera today because I wanted to talk about the Humane Society fantasy football team. Oh my God, they are so full of shit and it sucks so bad this year. It's not even funny anymore. Or is it? Well, I have to say they really have a crap year. And normally I like to drink to everything. It doesn't matter if they lose or win. But this is giving me a heartache. I mean, oh my God. I think that anyways, to fantasy football. People, I have to tell you one thing. You know, fantasy football, right, is not about how many targets your players get, but it's more about how many points the players score. Did you get that? Because it makes me think about not really that smart. Anyways, I was wondering if Peter's there. Peter, are you there? You know, I wanted to tell you for the longest time that your jokes are so lame. Is you never recognizing that nobody's really laughing about you? Maybe your friends because they're trying to be polite. Anyways, after all this bullshit I just said, everything is true, and I'm drinking the day one. So maybe that Humane Society fantasy football team, I don't know if they get a foot in the door this year, and if not, I don't really care. Cheers! See ya!